morning students. In the last lecture we can discuss about the chapter number 14, exercise 14.1. So in the exercise 14.1 what we can see, most ofly the mean sum, and we are using the three different method: direct, assume mean, or step deviation method. Or second type, that will be the find the missing frequency example also we have. So in this lecture we are talking about the mode. So in the standard 9 we have in the same chapter as a statistics. So in a statistic what we can see, first it is mean and second topic it is our mode. Mode means what? Number of maximum repeated any observation, it is called its mode. So in this lecture we can discuss about the mode of group data. So before going to that topic, we can also discuss about the mode of ungrouped data. Ungrouped means what? For that we can take the one of the example. We have one bowler, so they are taking the wickets in a 10 different cricket matches. So here the data is given. In first match they are took the 2 wickets. In second they have took the 6 wickets, like that. And there now we can find out the mode. So mode means what? Maximum number of repeated observation, it is called its mode. So here see that which number is maximum repeated, 1, 2 and 3 times. So 4 is repeated 3 times, see that, clear? So it is called what? The mode of that data. So here the data is ungrouped, see that there is no class given, clear? Here they are directly giving us the data. So if data is given, so it is called ungrouped, and we can find directly the if here given the ungrouped data, so we can see that what? Maximum number of repeated observation, it is called our mode. So in a 10 standard what happened? In a 10 standard we are going to our next level, it is called mode of group data. It is called mode of group data. So for a mode of group data we have one formula for that. This is our formula, see that mode is equal to L plus in bracket F1 minus F0. In denominator we have a 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So it is its formula. You must remember that formula for finding the mode of group data. It is a formula for which? Mode of a group data. It is very important formula for us. So here what is L? L means lower limit of the model class. Clear? Lower limit of a model class. H means size. We can already familiar with this term H, and these three terms F1, F0 and F2. So this is what? F1 it is our frequency of model class, F0 it is a preceding of the model class, and F2 it is a succeeding of the model class. So how can we apply this formula in our real situation or real example? So for that we are going to start our next exercise. It is exercise number 14.2, question number 1. So in a question number 1 they are asking, the following table shows the ages of patient admitted in hospital. So here the age is given, suppose 5 to 15 year age. So how many numbers of patients are admitted in hospital? It is 6. Similar, the data is given, so it is called group data. See that, it is called group data. So for a group data we haven't directly the formula for that. So now they are asking what? Find the mode as well as mean. So first of all we need to find out mode and then we can find out mean. And they are also asking compare and interpret the measures of the central tendency. So it means what? Which age group is most admitted. So first of all we can find the mode. So for a mode, see that which is the maximum number of age group. So here between 35 to 45 the 23 patients are admitted. So it is a maximum number. Which is the largest number among them? This 23. Clear? So this is our F1. So F1 is 23, and before F1 it is our F0, it is 21, and it is called F2. So here F1 it is F0 and it is F2. Now so we are selecting these because of in this age group, the maximum number of patients is admitted in a hospital. So which is its L? So 35, clear? 35 is our L. Now H means upper limit minus lower limit. So H is 10 because 15 minus 5. So each class is a 10. See that 55 minus 45, answer is 10. 45 minus 35. So each group is 10. Now we are using our formula. What is our formula? Mode is equal to L plus in bracket F1 minus F0 to F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. It is our formula. Now what is the value of L? It is 35. Now F1 it is 23, F0 it is 21. Now 2, what is F1? It is 23 minus F0 minus F2 into what is our height? It is 10. Now simplify this. So we can you must remember one thing. If you want to find out the value of mode, so we can start with the simplification. We always start from this bracket only. Clear? So it is easy for us in our examination also. So 35 is as usual 23 minus 21. So it is 2 into 10 divided with 23 2s are 46. Minus become plus. So 21 plus 14, so it is 35. Once again we can simplify that. So 35 plus 10s are 20 divided with 11 because 46 minus 35. Now we can divide. 11 is divided with 20, so 11 1s are 11. So here we have a 9 because 10 minus 1, here we have a 0. Once again we can point, here we will put point, so 8s are 88, so here we have a 2. Once again 11 1s are 11, so it will be repeated 1.8181 like that. So what is our simplification? 35 plus 1.81 like that. So we can add this. So 35 plus 1.8181 like that. So what is our answer? 36.81. So answer it is 36.8181 like that. Clear? So it is very easy. If you want to find out the value of mode, first of all we can put the formula, and according to the formula we can find the value from that chart, and we can simplify that. So answer it is 36.81. Now we are second, we need to find out mean also. So mean, we can learn that thing in our exercise number 14.1. We can use either of we have the three method, and we can use either of one. So data we can already have, age is given, aging, and the number of patient is also given. Now sum of all frequency, it will be 80. We can already put the sum here, 80. Now class mark. For a class mark we have a formula, upper limit plus lower limit divided with 2. So what is upper limit? 15 plus 5 divided with 2. So 20 divided with 2, answer it is 10. So we can put 10. Then each class is 10 10. So we can add 10 10 10. So we can get 20 30 40 like that. Now DI. So assume any one value, it will be our A. So we can assume 30 is our A. So what is Xi now? 10. And what is A? It is 30. So 10 minus 30. So answer it is minus 20. Answer it is minus 20. Then 30. So minus 10, 0, 10, 20 and 30. Now what is the formula for Ui? Xi minus it is minus 20. And what is H? H means what? Upper limit minus lower limit. So what is upper limit? 15 minus 5. So answer it is 10. So we can divide with 10. So here we have a minus 2, then minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Similarly we can get that value. Now last step, it is FIUI. So how can we get FIUI? We can erase it. Fi it is 6 and ui it is 2, so minus 12, 11, 0, 23 ones are 23, 14 twos are 28 and 5 threes are it is 15. Now last step, sigma fi ui, summation of all. So we can add this, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 5, it is 16, 1 carry. So 2, 4, 5 and 6, so 66 minus, what is the sum of these both? 2 plus 1, 3, 23. So 66 minus 23. So 6 minus 3, 3. It is 43. So sigma fi ui is equal to 43. Now last step, what is its formula? Mean is equal to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. So what is the value of a? Because here we are using which method? Step deviation method. Because here we will find ui. So it is which method? Step deviation method. So what is the value of a? 30. Sigma fi ui, it is 43. Sigma fi, it is 80. And h is equal to, already we can get 10. So 0, 0. Cut. So 30 plus 43 divided with 8. We can simplify. 8 divided with 43. So 8 5s are 40. Now we will put the point. 8 3s are 24. So here we have a 6. Then 8 8s are 64. So 8 7s are. So 8 7s are 56. So we have a 4, so 8 5s are. So answer is 30 plus 5.375. So we can add this. So answer it is 35.375. So mean is 35.375. It means what? Which number? So it is 35.375. So it is the value of mean. And now last step. They are also asking that value. Compare and interrupt the measures of central tendency. So answer here we get 36. What is the answer of mode? 36. So it means what? The between the age of 35 to 45, the most numbers of patients it is admitted in hospital, and average age is 36.81. Question 3 from question 2 from exercise number 14.2. So in a question number 2, similarly we can also find out the mode. So first of all, the question is, the data gives the information observed the lifetime in hours of 225 electrical components. So we have in total 225 components of electrical bulb. Out of them, some of bulb have a life only that 10 bulb are those bulb whose life is only 0 to 20 hours. So data similarly the given. Now they are asking, determine the model lifetime. Model means mode. Don't confuse in the examination. They are sometimes also asking like that, model lifetime. Model means mode. Clear? So we can starting with our sum. So which have the maximum number of observation? It is here 61. Out of these, 61 is the largest number. So what is F1? 61. What is F0? 52. And what is F2? So it is F0, F1 and it is F2. So F2 it is 38. So what is our L? Lower class it is 60 and height 80 minus 60. So it is 20 because each class is 20, 20, 20. Now we can put the formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0. So it is its formula for a mode. Now next, what is L? L it is 60. What is F1? F1 it is 61 minus 52. 2 into 61 minus F0. 52 minus 38. And what is the value of H? It is 20. Now we can simplify. So simplify this, 60 plus 61 minus 52. So it will be 9. Clear? It will be 9. 61 2s are 61 2s are 122 minus minus plus, so 52 plus 38, so it will be 90 into 20. Once again we can simplify. 60 is as usual, plus 9 into 20, so 2 9s are 80, 180, so 9 into 20 upon 122 minus 90, so we can simplify. 122 minus 90, so 12 minus 9 3, here we have a 0, so it is 32. Clear? Once again we can simplify. Here 10s are, so here we have a 16s are, so now it is 5s are, so here we have a 8s are, so 60 plus 9 5s are 45, divide with 8. Once again we can simplify. 8 divide with 45, so 8 5s are 40, so we have a 5 as our remainder. Once again we will, here we will put point, so 4s are 48, 2s are 16 and 5s are 40, so here we have a 0, so answer is 5.60 plus 5.625, so 60 plus 5, it is 65.625. So it means what is the model lifetime of that bulb? It is 625, so it is our mode of that data. So now we are going over next question. It is question number 3. The following data gives the distribution of total total monthly household expenditures of a 200 families. So it means what? The families is given and expenditures. Expenditure means outgoing, outcome of villages is given. So they are asking, find the monthly expenditures of families and also find the mean. So monthly expenditure means what? Mode. Clear? And second, they are also asking to find out the value of mean. So we need to find out the mean as well as mode. So first of all we are starting with mean. So here we are using any of the one method. So chart is given. So according to the chart, the sum of this all, it is 200, because here given the total number of family, it is 200. Now class mark. What is its formula for a class mark? You can also familiar with the formula of class mark. Upper limit plus lower limit. So upper limit is plus lower limit divide with 2. So it will be 1250. Now each class is 500, so we can add 500. So 1250 plus 500. So it is 1750. So similarly we can get this data. Now here we are using step deviation method. So in a step deviation method, first of all, any one value we can assume it is our A. Clear? It is our A. So xi. So what is xi? It is 1250. So we can also we can starting from here. So it is easy for us. So 2750 minus 1250, 0, 0, 5, 1500. So here we can get minus 1500, then minus 1000, then minus 500, then 0, 500, 1000, then 1500 and 2000. Now what is the value of ui? Xi minus A. So 1000 minus 1500 is divided with h. So how can we find h? 1500 minus 1000. So it is 500. So 0, 0, 0 cut, 5 3s are. So minus 3, minus 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now last column, Fi ui. This is our Fi. It is our Fi. 24 3s are. 24 3s are. So it will be 72. 42s are minus 80. 33 3s are 0. 31s are 30. 22 2s are 44. 16 3s are 48. And 7 4s are 28. Now last, sigma Fi ui. So summation of this all, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 4 20, so 2 carry. So 4 plus 4 8 to 10, 10 3 3 15, so it is 150. Now summation of these all minus, because this all term have the minus signature, so that's why here we are using minus sign. Now 3 plus 2 5, 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 3 18. So it is 185. Now 150 minus 185, so we can subtract 185 minus 150, so it is minus 35, because 185 have the greater numbers, so we can use the minus sign. Now the formula for mean, what is its formula? A plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. So what is the value of A? 2750. Sigma fi ui, it is minus 35. Sigma fi 200 into what is the value of h? It is 500. So 2750 plus minus, it become minus. Now 0 0 0 0 cut. Now 35 5s, so we can simplify. 35 5s, 5 3s 175, divide with 2. So 175 divide with 2, so 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, so 1 carry here we have, so 87.5. Now finally we can subtract this all. 2750 minus 87.5, so here we will put 0, 10 9 4 5, because 9 minus 2 4, so 14, 14 minus 8 6, here we have a 6. So answer it is 2662.5. So it is our answer for a mean. Now next we can also find out the value of mode. So first of all, see that out of this column which have the maximum number of data, it is here 40. So what is, so it is our f1, so it is f0, and it is our f2. So what is the value of L? It is 1500. So we will, first of all we can write the data. f1 40, f0 24, f2 33, L 1500, and h upper limit minus lower limit, it is 500. Now what is the formula of mode? Mode is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 to f1 f0 f2 into h. So L 1500 plus f1 minus f0, f1 40 minus f0 24 upon 2 in bracket 40 minus 24 minus 33 into h. So what is the value of h? It is 500. So 1500 plus, it will be 16 upon 42s are 80, minus minus plus, so 4 plus 3 7, 2 plus 5, so 57 into 500. Now 1500 plus 16 5s are 80, so 8000, divide with 80 minus 57, so answer it is 10 minus 3, here we have a 7, so 23. Now divide this, 23 is divided with 8000. So if we divide 80, so we can starting with 23 3s are 69, 23 3s are 69, and 23 4s are 4 3s are 12, 4 to z, so 92. So we can start it with 3s are 69. So 10 minus 1, here we have 7, so 1 0. Then 4s are 92. So 10 minus 2 8, here we have a 0, so 10 10 minus, so it will be 1, and here we have a 0. Next, once again we will put 0. So now we can start with 9s are 23, 8s are. We can check with 8s are. 8 3s are 24, 8 2s are 16 plus 2 18. So it is 184. So we can start with 7s are. So what is the 23 7s are? 23 7s are 7 3s are 21, 14 plus 2 16. So it is 161. So here we have a 19. So here we will put point 0. Once again here we will put 0. So 8s it is 184. 8s it is 184. So it means what? 347.8. So answer is 347.8. Now we can add these both. 500 347.8. So 8748. So answer is 1847.8. It is the answer for a mode.